Salespeople have a tendency to waffle when they get nervous or they're under pressure, and a lot of the skills that we learned on the Think on Your Feet session was about how to kind of prioritize your responses, to have them in neat kind of condensed packages so that you're instantly able to recall those responses when you're under pressure. Go back to things that you've practiced and you've rehearsed, visualize things that you've written in your notebooks, and kind of make sure that your responses become succinct and you don't go off on a tangent and waffle as salespeople tend to do.
We're a high performing sales team who hit their targets, but where we were failing was that ability to think very quickly and adapt to the different types of clients. That's where the program has really helped.
So they're definitely more prepared, they're definitely more succinct, which again, salespeople like to talk a lot, and it's had a really positive impact on how they approach things, how they communicate to clients. What we sell can be quite complicated. We have a number of different verticals, a number of different solutions for our clients, and to be able to kind of package those up into 3 nice buckets also means that our clients are able to understand what we do much more clearly. We're getting our message across in a much more strong and powerful way.
So it worked well, and it fitted our methodology, which is literally thinking on your feet as you're talking to people, but also so it was good for if you're delivering to the board, if you're delivering to the exec team, or you're delivering to your team, and you're suddenly given a question that you need to answer. But in your mind, that muscle memory clicks in, and you go, right, this is what I want to do first. I want to consolidate it and deliver the message. So it worked really well for us.